myself an at-home pedicure. Put a little Epsom salt in there. Yep, that's what I'm using. Let's see. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm using. This setting hand by Mary Kay. I absolutely love this stuff. You can put it on your feet or your hands. And this shrub right here by Mary Kay. Setting hand peach shrub smells so good. Both of them smell so good, y'all. Yeah. My little tools, and I got my file and all this stuff. Do y'all watch Power? Last episode, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what we woke up to this morning. If I can get the door open. Snow. Ooh, it's cold. It's snowing a little bit, but it's almost stopped now. So pretty, but it's freezing. So let me close this door. My mama getting the wood together. We're gonna, maybe, if we need to, we are going to, we got some more in the garage for our fireplace. Yep, she wanted to come outside. It ain't that deep, girl. It ain't like it was last year. Turn around, Maya. Say hey. Hey. That big old coat on. No, I'm gonna do something. It ain't that deep, girl. Hurry up, because you know I'm going to make it in the house. I ain't got time for this, baby. It's too cold. The Maya. It ain't that deep, y'all. So people been driving down the street, I see.
How do you drive?
And it looked like it's melting a little bit or something, because at first my car, the windows was all the way covered. You can see a little bit of my window now. So, I don't know. Look at her. You can't be out here long, baby, because the temperature is, leave that alone, because the temperature is too cold. So about 10, 15 minutes that's too long. 10 minutes, long enough. You hear me? Yeah. I'm gonna be looking at you at the window. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to D.Nichelle. I hope everyone is having an amazing day on today. So this is gonna be a weekly vlog. I know y'all seen in the beginning of the clip that it was snowing, so we had a snow days in Texas. So, but now it's gone, y'all. It's a couple of days later. It didn't last long at all. Our power was never off or nothing like that. So that's the plus. So now I'm finna head to take my kids to the dentist. They got a dentist appointment today. So I got a couple of more errands to run. And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So I will see y'all when I get to my first destination. Maya. Look how she looking. Say hey. So I'm just sitting here. The boys went by themselves. Y'all want to know, they don't need me. But Demai, of course, wanted me to come in here with her. TV's so loud. I don't know if y'all can hear me or not. But yeah, hopefully this don't take long, because they only getting their annual cleaning, so shouldn't be too long. But we'll see. So this is where we getting. In the basket. So yeah, I'm back in the car. Look a mess, baby. Look at this hair. A mess. My kids went with their brother. So, they big brother. So, I'm about to head home. And I got a 30-minute drive. So, yeah. I ain't doing a nail shot. I couldn't even show y'all and stuff. Them kids, they don't act right. So, hey, excuse my background, because as you can see, I'm packing. And I didn't make my bed this morning. That's neither here or there. Okay. So, this is my dress I was going to wear for Valentine's Day. But it's too little. I mean, not too little. It's too big. I don't like the way it fits. Because when it comes to my dress, I want it to fit snug. So it's giving grandmama. What y'all think? I don't want to show my face because I took my wig off. I don't like the way this look at the top. It's like, it's ugly. I don't like it. The back is fine, but it is ugly. I don't like this. It's too big. Like, I don't understand what's going on with this. Do I have it on right? It's giving ugly. I ain't wearing okay, y'all. This is option 2. I'm gonna have to wear a black bra, of course. This bra is beige or gray or something. So, but this right here, this is more me. I love print, so this is more me. I'm just gonna do this because I wanted to do the red, you know, Valentine's Day red. But no, this is it. This is what I'm wearing. I don't think my man liked this dress though, because I showed it to him, but I'm not wearing that grandmom dress, so I'm gonna have to get it altered. Maybe if I can get it altered before, no. What's today? Today is Tuesday. I'm leaving on Sunday. No, I ain't got time. I'm wearing this. What y'all think? Came outside to get some fresh air. My daughter been out here. See her stuff in the yard. I'm gonna barbecue one day. We ain't used the barbecue grill since we moved here. It's a pretty day today. Really, really is. Really nice day. My mom over there. It's a beautiful day. Let me get my day started. So I'm about to get in the car. Oh, it's warm out here. Very warm. Waiting on my mama because she going with me. She's going with me. Do I have a mask? Yeah. Took out my mask out the car. So we gotta go to the post office today. I need to stop at Dollar Tree and I think I'm gonna go to Kroger. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna bring you guys along with me. And I'll see y'all when we get to our first destination. Do they have trash cans here, Mom? Do they have what? Would I be able to get a trash can? Yeah. Jerry? Yeah, they have trash cans. The Dollar Tree. I forgot to record when I first came here. Yeah.
Cashier, red line 1.
Trying to see Demaya some stuff to go in her room, to add to her room. I don't see nothing really. That ain't neat. A sheet. I don't know. At the post office, I see my mama going in. I ain't getting out. This is our second stop to show y'all. So this is what we got so far. Kids want pizza. I want rotel.